I was fighting every urge today to be shorting the market because some of you may know the way market has been opening lately is wild, extremely wild. Like, this is probably the easiest money any beginner can make, but I gotta stay disciplined because I actually want to make this a long-term thing. And I think some of these new traders, they're taking advantage of the new presidency. Trump has affected the market big time. But there's been a pattern going on. Every time market opens, it's gonna shit the bed. And today I was fighting that urge. I'm like, I want to short so bad on market open because I already know market's gonna shit the bed, and market did exactly that. As soon as market, I mean, during pre-market, it was pretty obvious that was gonna happen. But I was like, nope, nope, I gotta stick to my rules because, I gotta build up discipline. Gotta, you know, sacrifice the short-term pleasure for the long-term pleasure. Because discipline will take you farther than whatever emotion you feel when you want to fucking smash buttons. Let's call that emotion the dopamine rush. You're just feeding for the dopamine. Short the market, short the market. Every time the market opens, short it. Okay, not a signal, not a signal. Please don't fucking do that. Please, 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 please. But today I took a trade and I cooked. I cooked at the right amount. It's not raw. It's not overcooked. Perfect. All right, let's get into it. So I took a trade on the S&P. Why? Well, price action looked better to me on the S&P, okay? I know some of you are so loyal to NASDAQ, but it doesn't hurt to change it up sometimes. It doesn't hurt. I mean, one in one index might move better than the other, but they have their days. And today I was saying the S&P was going to be having that day. That's what I was saying to myself. So took a trade on the S&P. Um, when it came to the 4 hour, obviously we're on a downtrend, and I wanted to go short, but of course, as soon as market opened, it already hit my take profit point. So then I was like, well, we swept out 4 hour liquidity. We swept out these Asia lows, the London lows. More than likely, we're going to seek out the London highs. Same thing on the hourly. Actually, no, we were bullish on the hourly. Yep, break structure, boom, maintaining bullish order flow. So then I just scaled down to the 5 minute, and I was like, all right, well, I'm just gonna wait for market to open, and I kind of already knew what was gonna happen. As soon as market opens, we're gonna have Drake-sized fucking candles, big ass schlongs come into play, and that's what happened. We swept out the Asian lows, London lows. So I was like, all right, cool. It's pretty obvious that it was a giant liquidity sweep, so we can come up here and fill these orders up here. So I sat on the 5 minute for a bit. I was waiting for a break of structure, and I felt one coming. I was like, I already know we're gonna break structure on the 5 minute, so I might as well just scale down on the 1 minute. So I just scaled down on the 1 minute, okay? Stupid, simple trade. Like simple, like fucking basic shit right here. If you do not catch this trade, you're dumb. No, no, no. That's too nice. You're retarded. You're retarded if you do not catch this trade. See, I'm partially retarded, but I still caught this trade, so I'm partially retarded. Anyways, so I wanted us to retrace to this fair value gap, which we did because when I scaled on the 1 minute, price was up here, and I was like, "Ooh, I already see my entry point." Boom, right off this fair value gap. Price did retrace right here, but when we did make that retrace, we also broke structure. So I was like, "Uh-oh, I can't enter a trade yet because we're technically on a downtrend." So I wanted to see a break of structure to the upside. And as you can see, we formed a high right here. And as soon as this candle closed right here, I fucking spam that enter button. Boom, 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 boom. No, 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 no. No, no. I promise. I promise that wasn't what it looked like. But yeah, I entered off of this breaker structure, put my stop right beneath this fair value gap because that's where my trade idea would be invalidated. And then I just put one take profit on these London highs, and you can see we had a manipulation move. People were getting blue balled, and then probably stopped some people out because that's how the market makers like to do that thing. And then we came up here to the London highs, hitting my take profit. Yeah, buddy. All right. But yeah, that was a trading recap for today. I ended the month profitable. You heard me right. I ended the month profitable. So, starting next month, I'm going to be going back to my funded account and hopefully I can get my first payout. I'm super excited for the future and I'm super excited for how far I've come. I've worked hard for it. So, next month, I'm going to start the funded account. Super excited to see how that goes. I already know I'm going to crush it. I've been demo trading for almost a year. Yeah, for a year now, actually. I did my funded for a bit last year for a month and it wasn't going too good. So I was like, all right, I need to go back to the demo account. But I've definitely mastered my emotions, my strategy, you name it. I've mastered everything. I am 100% ready to start using a funded account. So I will see you guys next month for my first trading recap on the funded. So see you guys soon. Peace.